The top-of-the-line Ford F-150 gets a noteworthy refresh for its 40th birthday celebration. The huge news is another 3.0-liter power-stroke turbodiesel V6 and additionally changed gas motors. Power appraisals for the turbodiesel haven't been uncovered. The 10-speed programmed now has a more extensive accessibility. Different changes incorporate another front end and backside including outside lighting, grille, and rear end. Inside, more inside hues are accessible, and Sync 3 offers greater infotainment and availability highlights. The new second-age 2.7-liter EcoBoost V-6 likewise picks up the twin-infusion framework, while the 5.0-liter Coyote V-8 increases new plasma-exchanged wire circular segment shower bore barrel lining for diminished weight over the past motor's iron chamber liners. The pre-invigorate 2017 Ford F-150 pickup has a 5-star general well-being rating from the NHTSA, out of a conceivable 5 stars, and is viewed as a 2016 top safety pick by the ES. That F-150, a year ago's model, got in a front crash avoidance assignment of fundamental for its discretionary adaptive cruise control and collision warning with brake support. The 2018 F-150 highlights pre-collision help with person-on-foot recognition, which initially cautions the driver and second brakes the vehicle to reduce effect, while the versatile journey control presently includes unpredictable car influx cruising.